What's up everybody, Michael here, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to go viral on TikTok without dancing. Not everyone's a dancer, and even though the most viral TikTok influencers like Addison Rae, Charli D'Amelio, and all the other most popular ones are dancers, you do not have to post a single dancing video in order to go viral. So here I'm going to show you 3 things that you need to do in order to go viral, and the 3 things that I actually did myself to gain over 150,000 followers in less than 30 days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the app right over here, and I'm going to walk you through step by step what to do. So the first thing we're going to do is go to my page, and go scroll all the way down to one of my first viral videos, which is this one right here.
The best way to make money online as a teenager.
Here it is.
Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. So basically, if you're good at anything, sign up and you'll make money.
So yeah,
you only have to be 13 years old.
Anything too special. So there's 3 things that you have to do in order to go viral on TikTok. The first is you just have to have an interesting topic and catch the person's attention right away. Because when you're scrolling through the TikTok feed, it goes through really quickly. People scroll through the videos right away. If it doesn't interest them, they just keep scrolling to the next. So you have to make sure it is very interesting and it catches someone's attention. So what I found with my videos is when I'm talking, I have to point to the words, talk like that, rather than just talk about something. So you have to have some way to catch someone's attention right away. Whether you're baking and you want to maybe show them how the food's going to look at the end, or if you're talking about finance and entrepreneurship, you want to have like a title with all capital letters, something that's interesting. That's the first and most important thing. The next thing you need to do is you need to make sure you use the right hashtags. When going through all my videos, I use very similar hashtags for everything. How to make money, entrepreneurship, ideas. So as you see right there at the bottom. The way that I go about getting hashtags is either, 1, I think about words that are related to the topic in the video. So for example, for this Fiverr video, I talk about Fiverr, how to make money, teenager, because in the title of the video I said how to make money if you're 13 years old. So other option is if you don't have any words and you don't know the best words to do, is what I typically do is I go online, go to Google, type in best hashtags for, let's say, entrepreneurship, because that's what my videos are about. Then you'll get down to this website called Best Hashtags. Simple, you just go there, you just copy and paste all the hashtags that they show you right there, and you can paste those into the video. You're not going to be able to use all of them in TikTok because with TikTok, you can only have a very limited number of characters in your description. So that's that. You need to make sure you have good hashtags. And the third thing, which is the most important, I think, absolute most important, is you need to be consistent with how much content you post. As you can see here, this video got 1.7 million views, 106,000, but a lot of them before that only got less than 5,000. So what I did in order to go viral is I posted between 7 to 10 times every single day for 30 days straight. And if you think about it, you're bound to go viral on at least one video. That means you'll be posting over 200 videos in 30 days. So you don't need every single video to do well, you only need one video. So see, like, all my first videos, they didn't get more than 2,000. But then all of a sudden I got 106,000, 1.7 million, 903,000, 268,000. So I didn't do well at first at all. And then you can see it went back, it was at 4,000, 2,600. So the key to going viral on TikTok, if you're not doing dancing videos and you're not a dancer, is you have to be super consistent with how much content you post. Because if you post a lot, there's gonna be topics and videos that just happen to do well, and all of that is gonna feed into your other videos. So if one video does really well on your channel, most people are gonna go back to your page, look at all your other videos, and then all the videos around that one viral video are also gonna have more views for you, so you guys can see. This video in the middle right here, top paying jobs. It got 1.7 million views. And all the videos around it also got over 100,000. This one got 106,000. This one got, 903,000. This one has 268,000. But then you can see, after that one video sort of fanned out, washed through, the other videos went back to having lower views. It had 14,000, 4,000, 2,600. But then all of a sudden again, I got another video that did pretty well, and then all the videos around that did well. So the key to going viral on TikTok is to post a lot of content, because if you're posting 7-10 times a day, you don't need to have one great idea. You can post, you don't know what's going to do well, so if you just post 7 to 10 times a day, all you need is one of those videos to do really well, and then all your other videos will get more views and you'll gain fans much more quickly. Anyways, so the 3 things you need to do in order to go viral on TikTok without dancing are you need to make sure the title, the very first thing they see, is eye-catching. It's engaging, because otherwise someone's going to scroll right past it. So whether it's baking, show a picture of some food that looks good, or with entrepreneurship, show a title that is very interesting, you need to have that. The second thing you need to do is you need to make sure to use good hashtags that are relevant to the topic of your video. And the third thing you need to do, which is absolutely important, critical, is you need to post content as much as possible, 7 to 10 times a day, even more. There's no such thing as posting too much content on TikTok or on any social media platform, because the way the algorithms work is it only shows your content to people who want to see it. If people don't want to see your videos, they're not going to see it. So if you post 7 to 10 times a day, most people aren't even going to see that. But if you post 7 to 10 times a day and someone sees every single video, well, that person probably loves what you're posting. They probably want to see everything. So it's a good thing. So the people who want to see it are going to see you more. The people who don't want to see you aren't going to even see those videos anyways. So anyways, those are the 3 things you need to do in order to go viral on TikTok without dancing. That's all I got for you guys today. So please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.